Welcome to Delic Home. We are located along Moi Avenue, Sawa Mall, Shop C4, opposite Ibrahim's. We deal with home decor products like cushions, duvet covers, duvets, flowers, vases, all sorts of home decor products. Karibuni sana.
Hi and a very good evening, and many thanks for joining us on LTN Property Show, a show that comes every Saturday at 6:30 p.m. on Lolwe Tv. Now today we'll be talking matters interior deco. As you can see from the background, I'm coming from an interior deco shop. This is the Delic Homes, found in Sawa Mall in the CBD along Moi Avenue. I have the representative here who will be taking us through this beautiful place, and maybe from the beginning I'd like her to introduce herself, to tell you who is she and what she does here. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much. My name is Elizabeth. I work at Delic Home. Yeah, we are located along Moi Avenue, Sawa Mall, Shop C4.
I got it right, Sawa Mall.
Yes, Sawa Mall.
Along Moi Avenue, right?
Yes, yes. Just right opposite where Ibrahim's used to be. Yes.
So Delic Homes, tell us much more about Delic Homes, when it started and where the name originated from.
Okay, that's a very funny question because I really cannot explain where the name Delic Home came from. But Delic Home started way back in 2016. I was a stay-home mom, and that's where I came up with the idea of home decor. It's always a passion. It has always been a passion, but we are several directors, and that's where we started back in 2016. Yes, we started as an online, and it grew to now the point that we have a show. Yes.
But I believe you guys are so big when it comes to online.
Yes, we are so big online on all our social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. I believe we are all social media platforms. Yes, we also have a functioning website where our clients go to buy. Yes.
And what's your website?
It's www.delichomes.com. Yeah, with an S. Yes.
So Elizabeth, thank you so much even for granting us this interview in your show.
You're very much welcome.
So as we proceed, you said that the show started all way back in 2016.
Yes.
So how has it been? Because nowadays people are complaining much more about the COVID-19 pandemic beginning last year.
Yes.
So maybe you can tell us much more about that. How did it affect your business in any way?
Yes, we were affected, but all in all, I think in business it's just a matter of consistency, just planning yourself, because business is not like employment. Business, we have high times where the business is doing very well, and there are some times where you really have to chip in to help the business. And as a good entrepreneur, you have to be very strategic in planning yourself. Those times where it's doing very well, you have to save and cushion yourself for such occurrences. Yes. So we've been affected, but all in all, we are still striving. Tunangangana. Yes. Consistency is key.
Consistency is key. I like that. So many people nowadays, they're into home decor. Many people want their home or to beautify their homes.
Yes.
I've been taking them through different homes and different properties, and I believe people also have their own homes, even if it's rental or it's bought. So about home decor, why is it essential for somebody to decorate their home?
Home decor is, I can say, way back, people never used to embrace home decor, but right now people are starting to embrace home decor, which is a good thing. But I can also correct people and say home decor used to be there,
Okay.
but it was in a different way. Unaona zile vitamba za kutandika, that was
Yeah,
decor
the
at that
seats,
time.
I
Yes,
remember.
unatandika
Yeah.
vitanda viti.
Vitamba, even on
Yes.
TVs, whatever.
Yeah, the curtains were a little bit hizo zilikuwa ni deco, but now we are, as time goes by, people are shifting. Even
It's
in
like it's
Africa,
advancing,
yes, it
yeah?
is advancing. It's like fashion, it's like dressing, it's like hair. So home decor is also evolving in its own way. So we have to embrace the way home decor is evolving as well. Yes, it is very important to. Home decor is very important and essential for homes as well, because it works as a complementary. It is a complementary. You can have a huge and big house and a luxurious house, but if you don't decorate it, then you will not see the beauty of it.
Yeah, very true. Yes, very true. Now back to the liquids. Somebody would like to even me personally.
Okay.
Where do you get your liquids from? Do you get them from local market or international market?
I have always had the passion and the idea of promoting local people. So a certain percentage of our items are locally made. Like most of our cushions are locally made. All our cushions are 100% locally made. Our wood signs, you can see like these ones, our wood signs are locally made. But a few things, like some of the complementary things like bed sheets, you see those ones cannot be made locally.
Yeah.
Those ones we import. We import from Turkey, we import from China. Yes.
And when it comes to imports, how are the markets like? Do you like?
It's very competitive because once there are people, home decor is also getting to be very competitive because there are other people who are also trying to import from other countries. But as I said, in business you have to be consistent. You have to be very consistent.
Consistency
Yes,
is key.
consistency is key.
Because I was about to ask you how you guys stay afloat in the market now that there are many and
Yes.
an increase of market of home decor shops.
Yes,
How
you
you-
have to be very unique. Like yes, like right now you can see we are several. Even where we are right now, we are several. But what makes us unique? What makes us unique? We try to be unique, as opposed to maybe other where they're selling the items.
Common
Wengi,
items, okay.
yes, but we are trying to be very unique, whereby in the next shop it's a home decor shop, but whatever products she's selling and the products that we are also selling, they are different, whereby the products that she has, some of the clients will come and ask, do you have this and this, and they'll tell you, no, go and check out the Nicole, because ours don't look like that. So we try to be unique in the market. We also do our research and see what is evolving, what is new in the market, try to be among the first people to bring it on board. Yes. Yeah, like I think like the wood signs, not very many people in the market have
Very
them.
true.
Yeah, because we
Very
are
true.
making them locally. So we also do our research and try to be unique in the market as well.
If I was to have like my own wordings
Okay.
and I contact the leak homes that I want, like they usually you call it a wood sign.
Yeah, a wood sign.
Yeah, I would sign.
Yes.
Okay. Would you customize?
Yes.
Custom make for me like what I want.
Yes, even if it is in Luo, whichever language you want us to customize, we'll customize. We even had others where they were customized Bible verses. Yes. Yeah.
I came in this shop, and if you were to ask me one of my favorite pieces that I love the most, I think it has to be the sausage peel. I don't know
The
what
sausage
you-
pillow, wow.
Maybe you can bring the sausage
The
pillow for
sausage
them
pillow?
to understand.
Yes,
I
this
looked
is
at
a
the
sausage-
website. I
yeah.
realized it's called a sausage pillow.
Yeah, it's called a sausage pillow, where you can use it for the living room to decorate your seats. You can use it in your bedroom to decorate your bed. Yes. Now we're also shifting from just decorating the living room to decorating your kitchen, to decorating your dining spaces, to decorating your bedroom. Yeah.
So every house should be complete.
Yes,
Even
yes,
if
the
you
whole
got
house.
basic.
See, at Ituni duvet too. You see, we're even selling duvet covers, whereby you don't have to keep on washing your duvet. You can insert your duvet cover. Different prints of duvet covers you can see.
You can always have
Yes,
different.
you change the theme of your house each and every time. Yes.
I love that.
Yeah.
What's your favorite deco piece in here?
My favorite decor piece.
I know
maybe
all of them
flowers.
might be your favorite.
Yes, I love these
The
artificial flowers. The
Yes.
artificial flowers where they are easy to maintain, and they bring a pop in the house. Yes.
Yeah. I think even with artificial flowers, people nowadays prefer artificial flowers
Yeah,
more
people,
than the real plants.
yes, because it's really hard to maintain the
The
live
real
flowers. Yeah,
It's called
yeah.
live flowers.
Yes.
Oh my god. You
Yes.
guys kutembea kwingi ndiko kuona mengi
Yes,
ama
yes,
kusikia
yes.
mingi. That is so nice. And then now, when it comes to marketing, maybe you can tell people where you guys are found so that you can have follow.
Okay, we have our number where it's 0777 409 730. We are on all social media platforms, on Instagram at Delikhome, on Facebook at Delikhome, on our website www.delichomes.com with an S. We are on TikTok at Delikhome. We are on Twitter at Delikhome.
Every social media
Yes,
platform.
we are on YouTube as well, Delikhome.
So it doesn't mean that when somebody is in Kisumu or Lodwar,
We do deliveries. We do deliveries.
But
Yes.
cafe, depending
Yes, at Ashafi, depending
where they are.
Yes.
Nice. Any challenges in businesses? Because I know every business has a challenge. Any
Yes.
challenges you guys face?
Yes, as just like any other business, we do face several challenges where, like competition, it's a challenge. Dealing with different clients, it's a challenge whereby we also have to pray for grace and to know how to deal with our different clients.
Okay.
And definitely like the pandemic. And the economy as well, because once the economy is hit, it hits every aspect of the of businesses. So once there's no money in the economy, we can get to feel there's no money in the economy, and people don't have. You see, like some of these things are luxury items. Decorating a home is not a basic need; it is a luxury. So where the economy has been hit, you get to feel it. People don't have money at their disposal, so you get to feel it is also a challenge,
because now it's not like it's basic.
Yes. But all in all, I think consistency is key. I've repeated that several times.
I think I'll go with that. Consistency.
Consistency is key, regardless of how the wave of the markets are. Be consistent.
Be consistent.
Yes. Even in marketing, be consistent.
Be consistent.
Yes.
Very true. Your parting shot to our viewers who will be watching.
Okay, my parting shot is decorate your homes. Make sure you don't leave out the decor parts, because regardless of having a big house and a humongous house, good finishing, you have to complement it with good decor. Good decor goes hand in hand. And welcome to our shop at Delikhome.
And even the contacts are on.
Yes, all our contacts are there. So yeah, thank you very much.
Asante sana, Elizabeth.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
So guys, I bet you've heard what Elizabeth has said. I wouldn't want to add much more. This is Delikhomes in Sawa Mall. You said shop number C4. C4.
Yes.
They're also big in social media. So regardless where you are, kindly reach out to them. If you want, there are a lot of things in this shop that I hope you saw them, that we showed you. So if you want anything, read them out. They're everywhere they're present. And so that marks the end of today's property show. I believe you enjoyed this show as much as I did. Until next week, same time, same place, do have yourselves a lovely evening. Goodbye.